Welcome to this lightingsupply.com product detail video. Today we will be looking at this SATCO NUVO LED medium bipin base tube. This NSF approved and cUL US listed glass LED tube has a T8 shape and a bipin G13 base. It also meets the necessary efficiency standards to make it a California compliant light tube, making it a suitable replacement if you need to replace tubes that are no longer in compliance with these standards. Approved for use with tube guards, this LED tube has a Type B ballast bypass double-ended wiring and has a built-in shock-resistant circuit. Damp location rated for use in outdoor conditions, this 48-inch LED tube has a wattage of 14 watts and a voltage range of 120 to 277 volts. With an average life of 50,000 hours, this glass LED tube gives off 1800 lumens of light and has a color rendering index of 82, giving this tube a cool white color tone, best for applications in offices, classrooms, hospitals, and retail stores. You can order this product from SATCO and hundreds of thousands of other lighting products at lightingsupply.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when new videos are posted every week.